Right, so COVID lockdown day 6,023,023. Well, that's what it feels like anyway. So you join me out here in my daily exercise routine with the dog, somewhere in the back there. And yes, I'm about a mile from my house. I'll do the round circuit and then get back home and lock myself down, as we're all doing. But for now, I was thinking maybe, what about a bit of fun? Something different. How about a bit of a bird quiz? Nothing too taxing, something quite straightforward. But yeah, let's see how we get on.
The Big British Bird Brain Quiz. Grab yourself a pen and paper, a nice cup of tea and some Jammy Dodgers, and let's get on with this thing. There are 5 question categories, it couldn't be easier. Okay, category 1. ID Gambler.
And we're going to show you a small part of the bird and gradually grow it out until you can see the whole thing. Now as you grow out, you'll get less and less points, so the quicker you can get it, the more points you'll get. Once you think you know the answer, hit spacebar or pause and then give us your answer. If you're wrong, you don't get the points. You have to move on to the next question. There's a maximum of 50 points to be won here, so good luck.
Don't forget, hit pause or hit the spacebar if you think you know the answer, and that will present the score. Yay, first category done. I told you it was easy. Don't forget to write down your scores, and you can pause it if it's going too quick. Right then, you ready for category 2? Oh yeah! It's Tweet the Intro.
So we're going to play you a piece of music which has got something to do with the bird. All you got to do is give us the name of the song and the artist. Each one is worth a point each. There are 6 questions. There's a maximum of 12 points to be won here, so good luck.
Good luck indeed, because you're going to need it.
Disco. It ain't no country club either.
There you go, another one bites the dust. Only 3 more to go. And don't forget to write the answers, of course. Right then, let's get on to category 3. How's your Hollywood knowledge? Movie links!
So it's movie time now for our next game. I'm going to play a line from a film. All you got to do is tell me the bird it's related to and the name of the film. there are 5 films to guess. So 1 point for the film, 1 point for the bird, 10 points in total here. Very easy, I promise you.
It's definitely not easy, and we have mixed up the films, so good luck with that one.
About a girl who was turned into a... People once believed.
And give him a great big... He was a dreamer who didn't... Perhaps it's a...
Is that gasoline I smell?
Hey!
It's called imprinting.
Get away now, you like...
You want to sleep? Why you Casper?
But her prince falls for the wrong girl. Excuse me.
Maybe I am sometimes, but I'm not that.
The exquisite Nina Sayers.
Wow, this is just too easy. Another one done. Once again, don't forget to write down your answers. Okay, so we've been playing it easy up till now. This is the hard round. Link lock.
It's very simple, I promise you. It's not really, it's really hard. I'm going to give you 3 different things that you have to tell me what bird links all 3 things. So that could be a name, it could be a place, it could be an event, whatever it is. You've just got to tell me what the bird's called. So there are 5 birds here, so 5 points max.
Okay, so this one's a little bit tough, so you're going to need to use some lateral thinking here. Right then, so link set 1. We've got Will Shakespeare, we've got Jodie Foster, and we've got an elbow. Okay, so what's the link here? Okay, so link set 2. We've got Dolly Parton, we've got Pirates of the Caribbean, and we've got Jennifer Lawrence. What's the link here? Okay, and link set 3. We've got Ridley Scott, we've got a skateboarder, and we've got Step Brothers. So what's the link here? Okay, so link set 4. We've got Ralph Ineson, we've got American Pie, and we've got Elf. So what's the link here? And finally, we've got link set 5. So we've got Noah and Nelly, we've got Hawkwind, and we've got The Interview. So what's the link here? And there you go, category 4 done. Now that was a really tough round. I apologise now for that. Now don't forget to write down your answers. And let's move on to our last round. Bird Brain!
So this game is all about general knowledge, and it's a multiple choice one, so it's really easy, I promise. There are 5 questions here, 1 point for each question. There are 5 points to get. Good luck.
God, we're certainly going to need the points after that last round. Blimey.
Which country has more flightless birds than any other country in the world?
New Zealand, Brazil, or Canada?
Which comedian's book is called Bearded Tit? Confessions of a Birdwatcher.
Bill Bailey, Bill Oddie, or Rory McGrath?
Where are you most likely to find a toucan?
Central America, North Africa, or Australia?
Name the smallest bird in Britain.
A wren, a long-tailed tit, or a goldcrest?
And finally, name me 5 species of bird beginning with the letter S.
There are actually over 30 species of bird that begin with the letter S in the UK, so this shouldn't be so hard. And that's it. We're finished. Finished, ended, finny, Finland, all those other words that sort of mean end.
And there you go. Nice and easy, I told you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. You told us alright. Haha, joker. So make sure you've got all your answers written down because we're going to bring on the answers. Okay, so game 1, in ID Gambler, the answers were as follows. Number 1 was a blue tip. Number 2, a heron. Number 3, a kingfisher. Number 4, a kestrel. And number 5, a wren. Our second game was the Tweet the Intro round. And the answers are as follows. Number 1 was Blackbird by the Beatles. Number 2 was Hotel California with the Eagles. Number 3, When Doves Cry with Prince. Number 4, All I Want to Do is Sheryl Crow. Number 5 was The Ugly Duckling by Hans Christian Andersen. And number 6 was Rockin' Robin by the Jackson 5. So category 3 was movie links. And the 5 films that we had included in that footage were Black Swan, and of course it was a swan. Happy Feet was a penguin. The Crow was a crow. Kes was a kestrel. And Fly Away Home was a goose. So Link Lark was our really tough round. So from the top, number 1 was Starling. Number 2 was Sparrow. Number 3 was Hawk. Number 4 was Finch. And number 5 was Skylark. And the final round was the Bird Brain General Knowledge questions. And the answers were as follows. Number 1 was New Zealand. Number 2 was Rory McGrath. Number 3 was Central America. Number 4 was Goldcrest. And number 5, well, all of them. You could choose any of them if you wanted to.
Pop your score into the comments below and let us know how you got on. And remember, no cheating. You're only cheating yourself. Don't forget, lies make baby Jesus cry.